Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduksi Indah Nurrahmawati, NIM 92219099. I will explain my ideas for dealing with the impact of globalization. International migration is a product of the global economy whose pattern is the movement of labor from poor countries with scarce capital and large labor force to developed countries with large capital and scarce labor. International migration, among other things, gave rise to a wave of activity. Regional and global socio-economic networks are becoming increasingly prevalent. The formation of global legal interaction and the emergence of all forms of activities that are transnational. In the context of migration, transnational fields can be interpreted. The human movement is very close to economic goals. But on the other hand, it is also very vulnerable to problems related to human rights violation. An example of a real case is the moratorium on Indonesian labor migrants. See PSDR LAPI 2011. On June 22, 2011, the government asked a question the moratorium policy on Indonesian migrant works to Saudi Arabia. Furthermore, on August 1, 2011, the moratorium policy was officially enforced. A moratorium is a policy of temporarily stopping the sending of works to a country to matters that have not been agreed upon between the sending country and the receiving country of the workforce. This moratorium was carried out to answer the rampant problem of TKI in Saudi Arabia. Starting from unpaid wage, employer torture, sexual harassment, and beheading sentence imposed on TKI. In early November 2011, the Minister of Manpower of Saudi Arabia visited Indonesia and held talks with the government of Indonesia, which is one of the agendas related to the moratorium on informal sector migrant works. From the ideal and long-term perspective of the moratorium policy is an effort to consolidate and improve the personnel delivery system work. This policy is also an effort to improve Indonesia's bargaining position as a sending country. This effort was made by the government of Saudi Arabia, signing the MOU on employment with the government of Indonesia. The case of the mobility of people smuggling victims also reflect this a big picture of the region or country of origin about a thing politics is on the rise. Puji Astuti, 2010. Smuggling problem human who enter Southeast Asia, atau only a small part of the refugee problem in the world. But it can already be said to be part of security threat to ASEAN countries and regions. From new threats have developed over time, such as terrorism, piracy, people smuggling, illegal trafficking, drugs and smuggling, money laundering, cybercrime, international economic crimes, environmental damage, and natural disaster. The presence of asylum seekers as well as refugees or stateless in the area other countries raise the issue of human rights violation and trigger conflicts between countries, which ultimately becomes an issue of political security complex. Well, in my opinion, the right effort for the Indonesian state to continue to respect human rights for asylum seekers and refugees is to expand and repair detention center, include bilateral cooperation with various parties between the police and Indonesia and Australian immigration. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.